Hi friends, today we'll discuss about UPI enabled interoperable cardless ATM transactions. UPI enabled interoperable cardless cash withdrawal ATMs in association with NPCI and City Union Bank. This facility is developed by NCR with the help of NPCI and City Union Bank. So now we want to withdraw money from ATM. You have to go with a physical card and you have to swipe, then you have to withdraw money. With this facility, you need not carry your physical card. You will get a QR code in ATM. Just scan with your mobile phone and you can give the authentication and you can complete the transaction. You get the money from the ATM. 1500 ATMs upgraded with this facility by City Union Bank. So 1500 ATMs upgraded with this facility. Now you can withdraw money using UPI QR code. UPI based dynamic QR code based interoperable cardless cash transaction facility can be performed if they are upgraded. If their ATM is upgraded with facility, now you can go and withdraw money based on UPI. Using UPI app on the mobile phone to any ATM. In your mobile, if you have UPI app, you can go to any ATM of City Union Bank and you can withdraw money. Withdrawal is capped at 5000 rupees. Right now, you can maximum withdrawal limit is 5000 rupees using UPI. Mode of operation should be selected as UPI based payment. So, if you go to ATM, first you have to select the mode of operation as UPI based payment. Then you will get a QR code, then you can scan from your mobile, then you can authenticate and you can get the money. No hardware upgrade or change, no ATM change, existing ATM only. You can use this facility, same ATM machine, you won't see any new ATM. Scan UPI QR code and successful authentication, you can withdraw money from the ATM. First Bank go to live with this solution across all 1500 ATMs. So First Bank, City Union Bank is the first bank to implement this new facility. Card is not required. ATM transaction becomes more and more secure because you are not carrying your debit card. So it will be easy. You have your mobile phone, scan the QR code and UPI password, then get your money. Consumers can now withdraw cash using their mobile phone with any UPI enabled app such as Beam, Paytm, Google Pay. In your mobile, if you have Google Pay, Paytm, Beam, anything you can use it and you scan the QR code and you authenticate and you can withdraw money. No need to swipe the physical card. No need to swipe the card physically. So there is no way your card can be skimmed. If it is swiped, so somebody can capture your data and they can create a duplicate card and they can withdraw money. This is not possible because you are not using any physical card. This transaction based on a dynamic QR code. So dynamic QR code means the QR code will be keep on changing. Any bank ATM that participates in the UPI. So after this facility, any bank ATM, if they are participating in UPI, you can withdraw money from that ATM also. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.